Alexandra, what word is the opposite of thick? Thin. Thick and thin. I was buying something and couldn't explain what I wanted. So you've got something thick and you've got something thin. Thick, thin. Okay? And Rocio's nailed it there. She said thin and thick. A cool thing for you guys is the fact that we use thick to mean stupid. This is an Australian thing, I think. So we would say that someone is thick as a brick. So a brick, the thing made of clay that you build a wall out of on a house, a brick. That guy's thick as a brick. Thick as a brick. He's incredibly dumb. It's kind of a polite way of saying it. You're not swearing. He's thick as a brick. You could also say he's thick as a plank. So I'm trying to find... See the wood here behind me on the wall here? That is some thick wood. And it would have originally been a plank of wood before it was put together into this bookshelf. It would have originally been just a flat plank of wood that had been cut out of a log, out of a tree trunk. And so if someone's thick, well, you mean, you know, they're dumb, they're stupid, they're thick as a plank, they're thick as a brick. And I think there is a joke about what do chocolate cake and football stars have in common? They're both thick and rich. Get it? Thick. The chocolate in the cake is really thick and it's rich, as in the taste is very strong. And for football players who are stereotypically not very intelligent, that's the stereotype, not all of them, the stereotype, and they have a lot of money, they're thick and rich. So we're using these two words and it's sort of a pun there, okay? Thick as in the thing is thick, it's viscous. The cake mixture, it's thick versus thick is stupid. Rich in the cake mixture, oh, it's so sweet, it's so strong, it's so rich. Really rich with flavour, really rich. And then rich with regards to money. He has a lot of money, he is rich. Filthy rich.